Hello guys, how are you? Smart. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you, and to my new subscribers, thank you for joining. And also, if you're watching for the first time, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and watch all my previous videos and share. So today's video, I am excited, as you can see. Yes, so today's Sunday, and I was supposed to get a new phone this week, but then my phone has started acting up, so I have had to push the deadline for mbele kidogo. Yes, so today I'm going to town to go and check out phones. Hopefully we'll get something. Sikuwa nimechoma fare ni nyingi. Yeah, nimeona. Anyway, so yes guys, so I will be showing you how I select phones, where I'm going to get the phone from. There are two shops I'm going to check in. I already have some in mind. If you're going to buy a phone, it's easy by day. If you already have like a picture of what you want, idea of what you want, yes. So I already have some in mind. Yeah, so I'm just going to check out, compare cameras and their features too generally. Yes, so right now I want to leave the house and go to town. Yeah, I'm wearing this nice as usual. It's a bit chilly, so I'm wearing this my crop puff jacket I bought from Emmy's Classics on Instagram. Yeah, so I will show you what I've worn down. I've just worn a dress, very simple today. So let's head on and we'll do the unboxing together. So stay tuned, guys. A very calm day, just a dress. Hey, the ass popping. Yeah, just a dress. And I'm going to put on some sandals or rubber shoes, whatever. Yeah, but hi, I got hips for days, ass for days. Anyway, yes, this is my fit of the day. Hey, my mirror is 30 bucks. So yeah, and carry this bag. Yeah, so see you guys. Shop 1 iko huku nyuma ya Biashara Street. Biashara Street iko nyuma ya Koja. Yeah, so nitakuonyesha building nikitoka nje. Yeah. So yeah, this is the first shop. Yeah. 13 comes in two colors. Kuna hii na hii, so I've picked this color, this one's cuter. Yeah.
I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you.
So I'm vlogging from the new phone. Hey, indoor lighting in darkness. So yes, I only went to shop number 1, and that guy was so helpful. Wamenipea discount protector ya bure na akani advice, hey bwana, niko indoors na the lighting is not so good, but look at me, I'm about to give you content, guys. So wacha nifike home. Hey, shetani anaweza amua nifuate leo. Let me just get home, then we will unbox better when you're at home. So yes, big girl purchase. Yeah, it's the old phone here, using the new one. So mnaniona in 4K my sisters. Per hamniwezi tena. Anyway, nimefika home. I just had to do the unboxing before I start resting. Nianze kwa, hey, is this me? Oh gosh. Anyway, so this is box yake venye inakaa, packaging yake. So when I was going to buy the phone, nilikuwa nimeset like for simu hata hiyo pesa hata si like tuseme tu ni God. But then that guy akani explainia. He's a really nice person. But you should go by. If you want to get a new phone, muende kwa hiyo shop yake. So kuna hii inakuja ukifungua hiyo box, you get this cutting. That's where the warranty is. Now the pin for opening the phone. Then this was the wrapping. Obviously I unwrapped it in the shop. Then this is the receipt I bought from. Then it comes inside in a kaivi. Has a charger. Yeah, so this is the adapter. And then they have put the cable hapa. So I'll try to toy. It's a charging system. Okay, it's type C. Yeah, fast charger. So yes, this is the charger. And this is the cable. Yeah, it doesn't come with earphones though, but the cable is okay. It's quite lengthy. Hakuna stima, so but I've tested out the charging system at the shop. Yes, so basically that it doesn't come with earphones, so I have to buy my own earphones. Here is the pin for opening the SIM card. Yeah, so but at least I had said if I get a new phone, I'm going to buy AirPods, so that's another saving for another day. But so basically that's all that's there. Yes, I'm a happy girl. Yeah, and the space is 128 GB with a RAM of 4 GB. So vitu zingine mimi you can just Google and you get more information about the phone. But basically those are the basics. Yeah, and as you can see, the camera quality, like damn guys. Let's make some videos, take some pictures, then I'll post them for you at the end of this video. So basically by now you have come to the end of my video. You've gone with me. Oh, and the shop is located on Biashara Street, Bazaar, a building called the Bazaar, first floor. Yes, first floor. Yeah, and it comes in color, this blue and black. So I chose this one, and I nikabuy silicone cover kwa hiyo shop. Then that guy also akaniwekea free screen protector. That's how good I would recommend. Phone Place Kenya. Yeah, they're on Instagram. You can also check them out. They have a website. Yeah, and they said unaweza hata fanya, si lazima you go to the shop. If you know what you want already, and like me, I was going to test out cameras, so I had to go to the shop. You can order online, then they'll deliver it to you. So by now you've come to the end of my video. I'm looking pink. Make sure you subscribe, like, watch, comment, and share, and stay tuned for hot content. Bye guys.
Don't ever change for anybody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart how you keep changing.